Come on, Chris, go! Run! Wait! Here we go. Right now. Pull it! Shoot it!
Stevie and Hershey will be a good game.
Hey, how you doing, my brother? Help him out! Pick up, Drew! Chase it! You got it! Here we go! Hey! Hey! Get on the crease, Max! Let's go! Pinwheel! Pinwheel! Get an X! Anthony, watch this guy coming in right behind. Hey, no! Paul, pick behind you! Rule, go! Run! To the crease! Owen, go to the crease! It's there! It's there! Look the middle! Oh, it was there. Good job. Here we go. Move it, Owen. Someone's open. Help him out. Move it right now. Move it, Chris. Oh, good choice, Chris. Oh, yeah. Minis. Get back on D. Luke, watch the cutter in the middle. Help him out. Catch that ball like this. And he had his stick like this, I would have hit his stick thing. Don't try and catch the ball like that. Ball down! Go! Move it! Here you go. Come on, it's coming quick. Hard! Yeah! Get in, D, watch it. Go! Luke, step finish! 6! We haven't switched in yet, right? All right, go. Mid-8!
I'll do a 15 minutes.
Fast. Do it again. Pressure. Ooh, good pass, Owen. Go. Up across. Pick it up. Mark, get in. Mark, move back. Move it. Get in defense. Mark. Come on. Get down there. Run! Yeah! Finish! Good pass, Oz. Good shot, Still.
Drew!
Attack! Everybody! Everyone! Mark, don't play up by the top of the box. You got to drop back in on defense, okay? Sprint in there and help him get that ball out. I have no problem. Yes, sir. Good check. Good save. Down 5-0. 5-0. Here we go. Come on, Chris, run. Someone's on you.
Go,
Good
Luke,
defense.
go, Luke, go. Look for your help. Mini back. Go, Luke, you're good. You're good. Oh, yeah, tunnel. Oh, good pass. Jason. Good job, 12. There you go. Tyler, go. He just crossed. Luke, nice job. You wait for them or find the pass in them. Look! Good check, Biggie!
Alex, behind you!
Lift! 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 Look, Chris! No pressure. Move it! Pick it up! Back up! Get open! Patrick Martin through the box. Patrick! Good, let's go, let's go, let's go! Man on! Let's go!
Go, guys! That's on the box!
Move it, tunnel!
Luke, too high! Drew, get that! Nathaniel, you threw it!
Good play, go! Move it! Move it!
Put some pressure on him! Yes, pick it up, White. One. One, somebody else. Help him out.
Okay, Chris, okay.
Daniel, pressure.
Faster! Yeah, oh, I like it. Good talking. Move it now! Outlet! Who's it X? Good D.
Go, up.
Go, Austin, other side, get open!
Go get it.
Go get it. That's yours, Mark. Hey, you got a
Mark.
man on you right now. Bend, turn, pressure.
You gotta
There
go for it, Mark. You can't stop.
Austin. Get away, get away.
Chase it. We'll get you guys as soon as we get an opportunity. Pressure!
Finish.
Middies! Go!
Middies.
Who's got middle? Come along. On him!
Look for help.
Start focusing on Go get it, Luke.
Get on that, Damien.
Luke, that's you. Man on you, Luke.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's get this ball. Hey, let's get this ball.
Go straight up. Now look for help. Look for help.
Go, go, go.
Lawrence, control it. 2 hands.
Oh, good save, goalie. Awesome. Yo, that was good stuff, goalie.
Damien.
Tee it up,
Go
Liam.
out to the side
Tee it up.
there.
Hey, let's get this back.
Look for help.
Dig, dig. You got it, Dylan, you got it. Ah! Good job, Dalton. Let's get in, let's get in, let's go right, let's go right.
I think he's trying to
Let's
pass
go,
it,
let's
but
go.
he got knocked out on the way down.
Come on.
Go.
There you go, Owen.
Kyle, watch.
Move it. Dude, Owen McKenzie. Patrick Martin, did someone come on? Finish. Oh, good look, finish. Owen McKenzie.
Not bad, though. You gotta Go, P-Mark. Come on, Parker. Step up. Good pass. That's the first flag I've seen pulled.
Get it up.
You guys want to go man up, man down, or no? You guys want to go even? No. We'll go even. White,
Hey,
9-1,
shut it up
illegal
right
body
now.
check, 1 minute. 1 minute. Parker, we got him coming in. Chris, let's go. Chris, in the middle.
Ready, guy?
Damien, get open.
Outside, outside, outside! Outside, Logan. Clear. Alex, brother, clear. Carson!
Here we go. Here we go.
Damien, run! Defense, step up! Come on, Lawrence, hustle! Thank you.
Hey, your time's done. Your time's done if your coach wants you back in.
Pressure!
Tuttle!
What? Austin. Jesse. Luke, watch behind you. Aiden, drop back. Step.
2 minutes, coaches.
Thank you. Middies, go.
Austin!
Four dudes down.
Go!
Yeah, that was just crap in the bed. That was a perfect pass. And he just off. But that was amazing.
Good job, Dalton. Good job.
1 minute warning. 1 minute.
Go! No! Keep your stick down.
One more.
Luke, get that. Luke, right there, right there. Back up.
10 seconds.
Back up.
10 seconds! I didn't know if you had said 10 or 30.
Next run, stand back a little bit so that way, because they can come down here to sub in. So make sure there's plenty of room for them to sub in.
Make sure it's a good pass. Step up, D! Step up!
He stands up, he kind of like, I don't know what he does, he kind of sets himself down.
Reset, Dan, back up, Dan. Dan, get higher.
Pressure!
Got left. Go.
Now back in, D, back in!
Back up now, play D, play D. Play D, Dan, behind you. Behind you, Dan.
Go get it!
Reset. You got hit, you got toe bars. Dan, come this way. Dan, slide this way. Move it. Come on, Matt.
Come on!
Right here. You can go.
Because you guys aren't doing it right, even after you went through it. You're playing with your arms for like this. You gotta play with it up here like this. The only time you're ever doing this is when the body moves. It's, yes, exactly. You're not doing it.
Lawrence, watch behind you.
We're trying to get everybody next to it. No, white ball.
Chris, through the box. Dalton. Come on, Chris. Go over. You're playing number 16, Dalton.
Watch this.
So, if I'm going down, it's a 101. I'm going to put my feet down. But if I do this, and then I start doing this, that's what I'll So it's a lot to learn, and you're picking it up pretty good. All right? You just got to worry about it. Okay? Pick it up. Set it up right now. Tracing, wide out here. Tracing, wide out here. Find a man. Got it. Good job. Hard. Go down. Hustle. Right there, Liam. Good. Biggie. Go, Skinner, watch. Where? Ball! Look behind! Come on, Logan, you gotta have a better clear than that. Go! Grayson, get your spot. Mason, get to your spot. Here we go, Austin. Ready? Hip, move it! Hip, move it! Hip! Oh, good book, Owen! Good save, goalie! Tee it up, Parker. Go get it! Right there, Parker. Go through! Hustle, Abby! Go hard! Get open! Anthony! Anthony, go over that way! Never mind, Mark went there. Get open! Anthony! Don't go where he is! Colton!
Golden!
Anthony went over that way, and Mark went over that way, and covering both of them to make that the ball. Come on, Jesse, go get it. Oh, you alright? Come on, let's go. Move it, Jesse, move it! Move it, Jesse! Fantastic! One more. Move it, Dylan. Move it, Dylan. Move it again.
Go get it!
Wow, what's he doing up there? Oh my gosh.
Good check. Okay, Liam. Hey, Liam.
Pick it up.
We got White, 88, push the possession, technical, 30 seconds.
Matthew. Okay. Anthony. Get open. Get open right now.
Patrick, tee it up, dude.
Mark. Get open.
Patrick.
Go, Matt. Draw your defender. Look for your pass. Go, go, go to the goal.
Clear it, clear it. Go, Biggie.
Run, run.
Ball down.
Okay, you're 30 seconds to go.
Pick it up. Matthew. Go hard and beat him. Beat him. Pass, pass. In the middle, in the middle. Get it through. All right, clear it, clear it. Turn around. Go ahead. Drop back, Bear. Bear, get in. Kitty back. Kitty back. You got it. Go, go.
Yeah,
Back,
Logan.
back.
Throw it. All right, D, let's go. Get in, attack.
Matthew, drop back.
Get in, Austin. Drop it. Go, Austin. You go.
Get back! D, get in! Oh, go, guys, get on. Go off, jump it! Move it now! Great look, Owen, man, you are just killing it right now. Hard! Patrick,
Go
you
down.
catch it with your right hand.
Right here.
Run away. Pass it. Move it. Good idea, Patrick. Watch out, man on, Jesse.
What?
Go ahead, Owen. Get in
11
there.
minutes. Right on the nose.
Good job, Jess. Kick it. Scoop it out, Owen. Go.
11 minutes.
Good job, Owen. Austin, get on the island over there. Get up. Move it. Oh, Owen McKenzie.
All right, Mitty, go.
You deserve that out of that ground ball. You really do that.
You're off on the field.
Aiden, go. Beat him. Go straight to the goal.
Step up.
Take it. Got a goal for Breeze. If they pull a second one, then she's open or you go. You got to get up and out. Look. Aiden, next time. Aiden, next time when that defense is flying up, the match right there for the pass. Hurry up, pick it off. Go down.
Time out.
Take the goal, even nobody goal.
All right, hustle in. All right. Hey.
Logan!
Mitty, drop back.
Logan!
Aiden, drop back. Alex. Here we go, Keith. Alex. Run him. Pressure, Alex. Ball. Go right to the goal. Go to the goal.
Same people. I thought you said same people.
You'll be all right. It's okay.
Defense, get back. Bear, get back. Up and over. Doki, up and over. He's right there. Hey, Chris. Nope, slow down. Cole. Slow down, off. Chris. Gotta move that ball, White. Gotta move that ball, White. Move it again. Good. Let me get in. Right? Then we set it up. If he doesn't get it, that's where we can pull the ball around. Go. Look at Matt.
Amber, be an option.
Go, Grayson.
Push back a little bit. Fall out.
Look for help, Grayson.
Say, Dalton, stay with it.
Matt, you through it.
Mark play, Alexis.
Oh,
Girl, turn it up a little bit.
nice job. Nice
Move
look.
it. Move it. Hard. One and go.
Oh, it's nice though, Oss. Jackson, that's you. Get it. You got time. Jackson, come up the side. Oh, you had him. Look for help. Go get it, Luke. Go get it. Step up and get it. Attack. Come on.
Oh, somebody talk to somebody.
Move it again, Matt. Move it again right now. Now.
Hey, attack.
Here we go.
Go. Attack. Come over here.
Move it again. Move it.
Oh, man. Ryan, come on, quick. That's it. Hey, stay right there.
Go through it, guys. Come on.
All right. hey, guys,
Get open.
got the ball in
Help
there.
him out.
Tracy, you should be up here right now. That's why I was going to go crazy. Oh, Ben, sit. You should be up here right now. It doesn't do us any good for you to be back there.
Go, go, move it.
Ben, Ryan. You can go all the way up to midline. Just don't
Gotta
cross.
make that next pass first.
Hop on it.
Hey, Connor Beard.
Luke, break down. Luke, go down.
Go take Biggie out. Wait until it comes
Grayson,
down.
get open for him.
Beard, I want you to take,
Grayson, stand in there yelling your help doesn't help. Move and get open. Don't cross that line. Don't cross that line. Here, Grayson, hustle off. Go, 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 go.
Why aren't your shoes tied?
Go, attack. All right.
2 minutes, coaches.
Austin. Hey, up here, Ethan. We clear that ball. We want to be able to get it.
Oh, yeah.
Ball down.
Move the ball. Move it. Pass it.
Austin.
Pressure! Max, look it up. Freeze.
Jason!
Off table. Shot.
How much time?
1:15.
1:15.
1 minute.
Come on, it's okay. Come on. Benner.
Luke.
Benner, I want our kids to field on. Stop. You can't just walk on the field.
Hey, Dalton.
Hurry up. Go. Hurry up.
Down there on the other side of the yellow. On the other side of the, right there. Go around him and go in. Go, go. Go, Alex. Chris Simpson. Stay on that side.
Help him
Stay
out!
on that side. Stay on that side of the line.
30 seconds.
Luke, call for
You
it.
have us offside when you come off. All right, well, don't do that.
Move that pin.
Yes.
Finish it, Tubbs.
Pressure! Guys, hey,
Goalie, go get your goalie first. We'll shake some hands and we're going to have some time for the next game.
Reset your stuff. Get ready for your next game.
All right. You guys got sunscreen by chance? Oh, okay. Line up. Hey, line up, listen up. Good job. Go, 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 go. Good game, guys. Good game. Hey, dude, that was awesome. Awesome. Good job, guys. Well done, guys. Good job, gentlemen.
Let's go.